I would say it is, on one hand, there's a lot of transformation going on in many businesses. So the key question is, when do I invest? How do I invest? Where do I invest? And how do I keep the production flexible? Because we see a lot of volatility in the markets right now. I think that's going to increase. Last not least, there are many potentials. Industry 4.0, artificial intelligence, and here to find the sweet spot to start piloting, but also scaling in manufacturing. I think that is also a challenge for many companies today. I think without data, we are not able to sustain in our business today. And data quality is actually key for that. So it's also very important to have enthusiastic people, but also the right processes to get to a good data level, but also that's the art to maintain the level. And based on AI and also Industry 4.0, then to exploit the potentials of the data. For us, we see process improvements, but we see also a lot of efficiency improvements. And last not least, we are also looking into new business models, because all of a sudden with the data, which is also provided by partners like Dun & Bradstreet, we have the ability to look into spheres that we haven't seen before, and then also look into creating new business for us.